Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2015 GMC Sierra 1500 in an SLT trim and powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and a grid plate storage box in the back there for some extra secure storage. Let's take a look inside. Then looking into the back, where you have seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal some storage bins underneath. And in the middle you have a 12-volt power outlet. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 2 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat. And you have a premium Bose sound system. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 210,097 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, your trip information for trip A and B, fuel range, oil life, tire pressures, fuel economy, transmission fluid, and then you can also go into your audio, phone, and navigation controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with pre-collision assist and heated steering wheel, so you can keep your fingers warm. And moving more to the left, where you have your trailer brake controller, 4x4 controls with 4 auto, and your lighting controls. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, Bluetooth, USB, and auxiliary, I believe, so you have plenty of options there. And you have a navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels. And then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Moving down from that, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, so you can stay comfortable. Below that, you have your power adjustable foot pedals, your traction control shutoff, your box cargo lights, park assist sensor shutoff, and lane keeping system. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock. And moving down further, where you have 3 USBs, 2 12-volt power outlets, and a 115-volt power outlet, I believe. Then you have this large cubby area, 2 cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside, with a removable tray, 2 USBs, auxiliary, SD card slot, and a 12-volt, so you can plug something into power or charge, or hook up your audio from there. And last but not least, you have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. Now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.